Hello friends, KYouTuber here and welcome to this 18th Kiluba tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the verb to desire in Kiluba. Let's get started. Kusaka means to desire or to need. To say I desire, we say saka. To say you desire, we say Osaka. I desire Osaka. We desire Tusaka. You desire Musaka. They desire Basaka. Let's review one more time. Saka means I desire. Usaka means you desire. Usaka means he desire. Tusaka means we desire. Musaka means you desire. Basaka means they desire. Let's continue. We have the following few words that came from the verb to desire, kusaka. Bionsaka means my desires. Biosaka means your desires. Biosaka means his desires. Biotosaka means our desires. Biomusaka means your desires. And Biobasaka means their desires. Let's review one more time. Bionsaka means my desires. Biosaka means your desires. Biosaka means his desires. Biotosaka means our desires. Biomusaka means your desires. Biobasaka means their desires. Let's continue with some more examples. We have the first example, which says Saka tome monka, which means I want another drink. Saka tome monka. The next example is Kalonga kyonso kyonsaka, which means I will do whatever I desire. Kalonga kyonso kyonsaka. The next example is Leusaka bika. What do you want? Leusaka bika. The next example is Mulopwe usaka kumkandisha. The king wants to elevate him. Mulopwe usaka kumkandisha. The king wants to elevate him. Let's continue. The next example is Tusaka tumone mulopwe, which means we desire to see the king. Tusaka tumone mulopwe. The next example is Lekyo musaka ne mulongele kika. What do you want me to do for you? Lekyo musaka ne mulongele ikika. What do you want me to do for you? This is a plural form. The next one is Basaka tuibasangaje. They want us to please them or to entertain them. Basaka tuibasangaje. They want us to please them. Let's review one more time. Sakatome monka means I want another drink. Kalonga kyonso kyonsaka means I will do whatever I desire. Leo saka bika means what do you want? Mulopo saka kumkandisha means the king wants to elevate him. Tusaka tumone mulopo, we desire to see the king. Lekyo musaka ne mulongele kika, what do you want me to do for you? Basaka tuibasangaje, they want us to please them. Thanks guys, that's it for today, and we'll come back in the next video with some more Kiluba. Please like and subscribe. You can also check the link below to my other social profiles. Thanks for watching. Bye.